All right, so let's take one more situation of a cylinder and assume there is a electric field which is along the x-axis and the cylinder is also kept along the x-axis. Now, cylinder has three surfaces. If you see, I have labeled them as surface 1 on the left hand side. It's a circle, pi r square. On the right hand side, another circle. And then obviously there is a lateral surface of a cylinder, which is S3. Now we have learned that every electric field is associated with something that flows, right? And something that flows is called as flux. So let's talk about electric flux passing through these three surfaces. So you can see I have drawn three surfaces separately, and the flux through first one has been calculated with ES cos 180, because you can see the normal to the area vector and electric field, the angle is 180 degree. I am referring to the bottommost point on the left hand side, the situation number 1. Thank you.